Hey guys, it's Joe from Eastwood, and in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2K AeroSpray detail paints. Now, these detail paints are perfect for accurately restoring the factory bare metal finishes on whatever it is you're working on without the use of complicated paint booths, compressors, or spray guns. You can get a fully two-component catalyzed detail paint straight out of an aerosol can. And if you're looking for a clean build, the small details are what do it, and these are perfect for getting that attention to detail that takes a project car from good to great. So we offer 3 versions of the detail paint. There's the 2K Aluma Blast. That's going to be for your aluminum finish. Check out the Aluma Blast that went on the transmission of this 79 F-150 that we restored a while back. Just looks incredible. The 2K Spray Gray is going to cover a fresh cast iron coating, the cylinder heads, cylinder blocks, and transfer cases, which is exactly what we did for that F-150 build. Another great looking paint job. Last but not least, we have the 2K Detail Gray. That is going to be your best bet for matching bare steel, like you'd find on mounting brackets, diffs, suspension parts, and any other bare steel pieces that you can think of. Now, we have offered 1K versions of these paints for a very, very long time, but these paints are 2Ks, so you know they're even more tough. They're rated for up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and they won't fade, corrode, chip off, or wipe off with solvents. They give you the perfect low 4 to 15% gloss level matte finish, and each can cover about 35 square feet. Now, why would you want the 2K version over the 1K version of the detail paints that we've sold for a long time? Well, long story short, a 1K paint is designed to be easy, comes in a rattle can, sits on the shelf for a long time, pull it out, spray, and go. The downside is that 1K paints aren't as resistant to UV, corrosion, impacts, or solvents like a 2K paint would be. That's because 2K paints are 2 steps. They're paints that are designed to be chemically mixed with a hardener. That's what gives factory automotive paints their durability. Previously, you need professional equipment to apply a 2K coating, but now Eastwood offers you that ability in a rattle can. Here's how these work. You can see on this cutaway can that inside of it is a membrane that holds your hardener. All you have to do is take the little red button from the lid, push it down onto the stem on the bottom, and break that bladder so the paint and hardener can mix. Give it a good shake, and there you go. 2K paint in a rattle can. It really is that easy. Now, as soon as you pop that membrane, the chemical reaction will begin, so you only have about 48 to 72 hours to get this applied until this can turns into a brick of solid paint. So before you spray, you want to make sure you're totally ready to go with your PPE and prep work. And if you don't pop these, they will sit on the shelf for about 3 years. Another huge benefit of any of the 2K AeroSprays that we offer is going to be the cleanup. The cleanup is way easier than what you'd find with a regular paint gun. There's no cleaning of the gun at all, which is a huge hassle you get to skip with an AeroSpray like this. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe for that. Also, check out our channel. We have tons of great content over there for you to watch. We'll have the detail paints linked below for you, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.